Hello team. Today's challenge is the Consonant Case challenge, which is the exact opposite of one that we just recently did a couple weeks ago, the vowElcAsE challenge. So we can get that done really quick. If you remember, we were over here and we did two lowercase as a way of normalizing our data. Okay, so we started by lowercase and everything. We're only going to change what we actually need to change. Okay, so right here we did a replace. And inside of there, we had a regular expression, which was A-E-I-O-U, just like this, closing it off. And this means any one of these letters. We're only getting a single one, right? There's no quantifier on the end of it, so pretty easy. And then we get that match, okay? And we need to do something with the match. What do we need to do? Well, we return, if I could spell it right, match dot to upper case. Now, this is the solution from the vowElcAsE challenge. Okay, so if you haven't gone and watched that, there's a little bonus in here. Great. But in order to change this to the solution that we need, where it's the consonants, we need to change this regular expression. And remember, we're searching for any vowel right now, A-E-I-O-U. In order to make it not any vowel, right at the front of these square brackets, we put a caret, okay? So we put that caret in there, and that means not. It has to be right at the beginning. Can't be anywhere inside. But when it's right at the beginning like this, it means not any of these characters. And this would change any of the consonants. Now, it's not going to work yet because they've thrown a little wrinkle in our plan, changing the hyphens to underscores, okay? So we need to do that really fast. We can go if, like this, match triple equals a dash, then return an underscore, right? And now it works. And you might be curious, it's like, well, didn't we only get the consonants, right? We said no vowels, shouldn't that be the consonants? Well, no vowels means no vowels, right? So inside of here, we still get the underscores and the dashes and the tildes and anything else that they put in there, and we try to uppercase it. Right? Maybe that's a performance hit. Maybe not, right? There are ways that we can do this. If this doesn't make sense to you, right, we can clean this up a little bit just to make it a little bit easier to parse visually, okay? So we can do another replace, just like this, replace. Remember where my fingers are. And then, of course, getting that dash like this and changing it directly to an underscore, okay? This will still work, great. If we're going to go this route, and I do like this route because, again, it's clear. It's visually clear that, okay, I'm changing the dash to an underscore, and then I'm changing anything that isn't a vowel to uppercase. But the second part is still trying to change that underscore. I've changed the dash to an underscore. Now I'm trying to change the underscore to be something uppercase. If that scares you, then probably what you want to do is go and grab a little bit of different stuff. Actually, I'm going to copy this, bring it down, paste it in, and then go and copy this regular expression that I have ready. Brilliant. And drop it in here, okay? And what I've done here is I've explicitly said only consonants, right? So B to D, F to H, J to N, P to T, V to Z, okay? Again, only searching for a single one of those, globally, matching it, sending it to uppercase, and this is a great solution, okay? In fact, using the original two, so changing dashes to underscores, and then working through the not vowels, is actually 20% slower, for me at least, when I tested it, than using this very explicit consonants only. So there it is. One solution, right? One solution that gets it done. Very much the opposite of that vowElcAsE challenge. So you can use your older challenges in these newer challenges, which is excellent. Did you find a different solution? Maybe you found a faster one. Maybe you found a more interesting one, more fun one, right? They're all out there. Be sure to share them in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow.